In this video I'm going to show you how to remove sections of text. So it might ask you in your assignment to remove certain words from strings. So for example, in the surveys, on the answers for the preference, you can see that in front of every single answer there's the word pref. Okay, now there's no real need to have that there. So it may be that you might want to remove that that first word from each entry in the cell. So I'm going to show you how to do that using the equals replace function. Okay, so I'm going to follow the same format as in the last few videos. I'm going to insert a column after the column G here, so as I can use my function. So I'm going to right click on column H and I'm going to insert a column. Don't forget, make sure that you select the general format, and this is my preference. I'll call it preference 2. Okay, so we're going to use the equals replace function. This function has a few different parts to it, so you have to watch very carefully, and I'll explain each section as I go. So I'm going to go equals replace. Don't forget, Excel helps you. It tells you what it wants. So it's asking you to identify the old text. So that is the text that you're going to be working on. So my old text is this one. So I'm going to click it and it'll put the reference of the cell in the function. Okay, comma. It's asking me for the start number of the where I want to start counting from the bit I want removed. So I want to replace from character 1 because I'm starting from the first letter. So it's going to be 1, comma, and then it's asking me how many characters do I want to remove from that word, okay, or from that string. So I want to remove P, R, E, F and space. So P, R, E, F is 4 characters plus the space is 5. So it's starting at 1 and it's going to remove 5 spaces or 5 characters. Comma. What do I want the new text to be? I want it to be the remainder of what's left from the original text. So to put that in, I just put a set of double speech marks. And what that will do, that will remove the pref and the space and just replace it with the RPG game. So I'm going to close the bracket and I'm going to press enter. So you can see there now it's replaced it with RPG game. What I'm going to do now then is to copy that function all the way down. So we did this before, so I'm just going to use the little green box on the bottom of the cell. I'm going to click on it, drag it down, and that will remove the pref from all of the entries in my spreadsheet. So that's how you use the equals replace function to replace parts of the text entries in a cell.